Self-healing materials are revolutionizing durability in tech and construction. These advanced materials can repair themselves when damaged, mimicking biological processes like how skin heals after a cut. From self-repairing phone screens to concrete that seals its own cracks, these innovations reduce maintenance costs and extend the life of products. They're also eco-friendly, as they cut down on waste by eliminating the need for replacements. With self-healing materials, technology is evolving to not just endure damage, but actively fix itself.